Hi everyone! How much mass does the Earth have? If you Google this question, you'll find that the answer is 5.972 times 10 to the 24th power kilograms. What kind of number is that? In section 5.5, negative exponents in scientific notation, by the end of this section, students should be able to simplify expressions containing negative exponents, use all of the exponent rules and definitions to simplify exponential expressions, write numbers in scientific notation, convert numbers from scientific notation to standard notation, and perform operations on numbers that are written in scientific notation. So let's take a look at the quotient rule for the expression x to the fourth divided by x to the sixth. So when you divide the same base, you keep that base and you subtract the exponents. You take the numerator exponent minus the denominator exponent. So that'll be 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Oh. What if we looked at this expression a different way? So x to the fourth means x times itself 4 times, and in the denominator x to the sixth means x 6 factors of x down here. And then we can simplify by dividing a factor in the numerator that's also in the denominator, so x divided by x, and that cancels all of those out. So what is left in the denominator? X times x, that's x squared. What's left in the numerator? That will be just the numerical coefficient of 1. So that shows us that the expression that we're talking about, x to the fourth over x to the sixth, that is the same as 1 over x squared, but it's also the same as x to the negative 2. So x to the negative 2 equals 1 over x squared. Those are equivalent expressions, but this expression has a positive exponent, and in order to be simplified, expressions must only have positive exponents. Therefore, if a is any real number other than 0 and n is an integer, then a to the negative n power is 1 over a to the positive n. This is what the negative exponent rule tells us. We take any base that has a negative exponent, flip it over a division bar, and that base has a positive exponent. Remember, this exponent has nothing to do with the sign of the base. A negative exponent does not make the base a negative number. It just moves the base over a division bar. In the next videos, we're going to learn about using this negative exponent rule and more about scientific notation.